So, kabababa lang natin ang bus. Ako ito. Dito na tayo sa Hamilton Zoo. Malapit, lalakarin pa natin. Kung alam. First time ko lang makakarating dito. So, nakangapa pa ako. Nakangapa muna tayo kung paano dito. Hamilton Zoo. Ooh. CR muna tayo. Okay, saan tayo magsisimula? Prices. I'll go 26 bucks. Have a good day.
Yeah.
So that's it. We got a map. Saan man yan?
The other one, I took two. The other one is like.
Here's the car park entrance. Maybe we could go here. Go here first. So ferret house. Okay, bahala na. Tayo mag-ikot-ikot. Tingala. Find your way. Okay. Medyo pakanan siguro. Wow. This is our first. Okay, the first one. Butike. Ah, may butike. May butike. Yun na yun, may butike. Ooh. That's oh, this is a dead end. Hardcore. Oh. Wow. Himalayan Monal. Okay. Okay. Ang cute ng parot. Ang cute. Isa pa oh. Diba? Hello. Hello. How are you? Hello. Ang cute naman tayo sa unggoy. Ang cute ng unggoy. Diba? Wow. Ano ka meron dito?
No, you're scared of them.
No, I'm not.
It's my name.
I don't like. I love monkeys.
You like monkeys?
Yeah.
Hey, lemurs tayo. Ito.
Putty. Putty nice.
Putty, 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 putty.
Putty, 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 putty. Putty, 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 putty.
Wow, yung karakal. Ito yung pala yung ano, I like to move it, move it. Shit. Yung slow. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Oh, look at that car. Porcupines. Oh, mahihain siguro. They are meerkats. Wow. Ayun siya oh. They're meerkats. Wow. Ito pala oh, visit. Malapitan. Nakatalikod lang. Ito nalapit yung isa. Ang cute. Real life meerkats. Pandas. Where's the panda? Wow, cute. Ang cute ng red panda. Ang cute. Ano ito? Right now. Kita na ba tayo ng real life rhino? Where's the rhino? Southern white rhino. Wow, a real life rhino. Laki nila oh. Malaki pa sa baka. Ang galaw. Oh, isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. May palima dun sa isa. Grabe oh. Ito pala talaga yung rhino. Yung sa kanila eh. Kaya sila na-endangered kasi pinuputol yung horn nila eh. Ginagawang ivory something. Ang galing. Rhino. Wow. Savannah. May cheetah. There's a rhinos. Native birds. So we're going to Savannah. We need to see cheetah. Somebody cheetah. One cheetah. The fastest animal on earth. Tunay nga ang payat nga nila. Mabilis siyang tumakbo. Cheetah. Papunta tayo sa zebra. Saan makakita tayo ng real life zebra? May zebra sila dito oh. Zebra in real life. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. Zebra. Well, ostrich meron naman sa Pinas. Pero ito zebra. Wow. Mukha talaga silang kabayo.
Jump the fence, brother. Jump over the fence. Be careful. Taking your bum home.
Wow. Mate. Musa. Musa na makikita ko lang sa movie. Saan na tama ka dito ang daan ko? Oh. pato lang pala yun. Wow. Para silang dinosaur.
Look, is some feeding going on?
Wow. Sobrang lapit lang sa akin, oh. Parang may sungay sila.
And which one is the newest?
Go see Caesar. This might be Caesar. Or a gibbon. Tumingin ka. Bihira naman, oh. Hyena and tiger. Wow, donkey! First time. That's a tiger. So, malaki pa rin tiger sa Pinas. Ang laki ng kambing na to. Higante eh.